Oh, hey. Didn't see you there. Just cracking up a cold one for today I'm gonna show you how to make microwave nachos. Yeah. Alright folks, so you're gonna need some chips. These are $2. I don't practice Santa Tias. I ain't got no crystal ball. Microwave safe too. I think you know what's gonna happen here. Save enough for your next night. Hey, get out of there. Beans. So you can use a fork, but it's better to just use your fingers. And it's gross. Did I wash my hands? No, I didn't. Sorry, David. Give me that cold beans, baby. I need that cold beans. Bean me, baby. Ooh, ah. Jeez. I think you knew that. Nearly done with my block here. Buy blocks of cheese and then grate it yourself, because you get way more cheese than on a bag. Get bag cheese. Some nice cheese grating shots here. Look at all that cheese, baby. It's Cheese City. Don't want to slice my hand open, so I'm going to stop there. Put it in the bag. This cheese will last forever. It's just that kind of a cheese. Magnifique. "40 seconds. And while that's cooking, you just clean off your grater, because you're looking for something to do while it's cooking. Holy guacamole, that's fast. So get your favorite salsa. Oh, drizzle that on top there. Oh yeah. Hot sauce. I like this hot sauce. It's a nice smoky taste. We'll do a half here. This is my own homemade pickled hot sauce. We're gonna see what that kind of tastes like. Here we go. And that's it. That's all she wrote, you know. A bite of nacho in here. A beanie bite. It's a good. All right. Well, that's how you make microwave nachos. See you next time. Bye bye.
I've never had better microwave nachos.